Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make money on TikTok and how to receive some gifts on your TikTok videos. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to click on the like button and let's go. So we go and open the TikTok application. And after opening the TikTok application, just go to your profile and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on Creator Tools, the first option. After that, as you can see, click on Gifts. So here, as you can see, viewers can send gifts on your eligible videos when feature is turned on. So when you try to turn on this feature and this option, there is some rules that you must comply with, and there is some condition that you need to have on your account. So as you can see, you must have at least 100,000 followers, and also your videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts. So that's mean that in your videos you are not doing something dangerous like driving and talking, or like doing some dangerous things. And also have an account that's been active for at least 30 days. So the age of your account must be at least 30 days. And you must at least upload, of course, some videos in the last 30 days, and also meet the age requirement. And for the age requirement, normally it's 18 years. So when you have all those criteria, just click on turn on gifts, and after turning on this option, you can receive gifts on your videos, and you can make money from those gifts, because those gifts are converted to points, and points then are converted to money. And if we want to compare the money that you can make on YouTube with the money that you can make on TikTok, normally the money that you can make on YouTube is much more than the money that you can make on TikTok. I hope you like the video. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.